What's up guys, welcome back to another video guys. Welcome back to Stacey D's channel. If you're new here, a warm welcome to you. Please to consider to subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification bell. After you have done so, you're gonna see three options. Select all so you won't miss any of my uploads. Welcome everybody, welcome to my silent watchers as well. Yes guys, so today guys, as you can see, a variety of vegetables are lining out here. I am so excited right now to make this salad, and I'm gonna show you guys the outcome. But let me introduce you guys to what I'm using to make my salad today. So today guys, I'm in the kitchen, and you know, I'll know this segment is called, if you're an old subscriber, you should have known by now that this segment is called Stacey's Cooking Show. I like to vlog my cooking most of the times. Yes, so let's get back to this guys. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'll be working with to make my salad. Yes guys, so let's do this guys. All right, so I'm gonna use avocado. Guys. I'm gonna use a purple onion. I'm gonna use cheese and garlic. I'm gonna use some spring mix, as you can see right there, bell peppers of different colors. I'm gonna use a cucumber. I'm gonna use tomato. I'm gonna use some broccoli. But what I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna just put my broccoli in the microwave for a few minutes. The rest of vegetables are gonna be raw, only the broccoli is gonna steam a little bit in the microwave. Yes, I'm gonna use some carrots as well. I'm gonna use cabbage. I'm not gonna use all of this cabbage though guys, it's a big cabbage. And I'm not gonna use all of the carrots. I'll be using lettuce. This is the lettuce right here. I'm not gonna use all either. Yes guys, so I have a big lemon here as well. I'm not gonna use all of this lemon, neither am I gonna use half of this lemon either. I'm just gonna use a little piece of this lemon. I have some parsley flakes right here. I have sage. I have celery seed. I have some mayonnaise right here guys. Yes, and sorry, this is not the I'm doing this wrong. It's not the mayonnaise guy. I wasn't really looking. Yeah, but we all make mistake. I have the Kraft Ranch here, and I have the real mayonnaise right here. I was just looking back at my son a while ago, so I take up the wrong one, but I know I have them right here. Yeah, and I have some white sugar here. I have black pepper also, and I'll be using some olive oil, and I'll be using some of this as well. Yeah, so this, I know this salad is gonna be so yummy because I have a variety of stuff, and I'm gonna add a little bit of spice up to it. So just stay tuned for the result guys. I don't want this video to be long, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wash my vegetables, get what to get cut up, and you know, and come back to you guys and show you guys the outcome of my salad. So just stay tuned for it guys, stay tuned. So everything is well set right here. So I have my lettuce and the rest of the vegetables there. I have my steamed broccoli right here, which I done in the microwave, and my cabbage is cut in small pieces, and the rest of the vegetables over there. So right now I'm just gonna put everything together and pour that sauce in. Yes, that's the sauce right there. So I'm gonna pour the sauce, and I know this is gonna be yummy. Yes guys, thanks for watching guys. Yes guys, so this is what the vegetable is looking like so far after everything is mixed up. So I'm gonna pour my sauce, and I'm gonna set my display dish. Stay tuned guys, I'm coming right back to show you the outcome. This is the outcome guys, and we have come to the end of the video. And on top guys, as you can see, that was my egg and my almond there on top, and everything else is below. Yes guys, remember to give me a thumbs up, leave some comments down below, and share me out if you can. Yes guys, sharing is caring. And you also can go ahead and try this salad guys. It is very tasty, yes, and delicious, and healthy also. So out of all the vegetables I put together in this video, I go ahead and make 3 different salad dish from these vegetables guys. Yes guys, you can let me know which one you guys will be enjoying more. Yes guys, so this one, the avocado, and the steamed broccoli, and this over here with the almond, yeah, and mixed nuts and stuff like that. Guys, check
And
this
this
out,
is the one
guys.
with the Oreo.
Sorry,
So
check
just
this out,
comment down
guys.
below
I'm
and
coming
let me
with
know
my
which
own
one you
styles over
prefer,
here, guys. My own styles of cooking. Yes, guys. So if you like what I'm doing here, guys, remember to go ahead and subscribe. So guys, so this is what I do. I use the Oreo that comes on the yogurt, yeah, in that little container there. So I use it to design this lovely dish right here, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you like this menu, guys, and remember to leave a thumbs up, guys. Okay, a thumbs up is very important. Leave a thumbs up. Thanks for watching again, guys.